Keep your family safe with the SkyBell video doorbell. SkyBell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
SkyBell HD's motion sensor will alert you when an unwanted visitor doesn't press the doorbell. And full-color night vision helps you see perfectly at night.
Hit the lights.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. SkyBell HD records each video you see, so you can watch or download the video at a later time, even if you didn't see it live. When combined with other smart home products like locks, lights, and indoor cameras, SkyBell HD becomes the eyes to
is the VAVA dash cam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You just backed up into me.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
Prove it.
Did anybody see this?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the VAVA Dash, a dash camera designed for drivers everywhere. Whether your car is on or off, the VAVA Dash is there to protect.
Hello, ma'am. I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, no, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
It's always recording when you're driving. And when paired with the VAVA charger, the dash can still automatically record any unexpected activity when you're away from your car.
Oh, milk duds.
Swivel it 360 degrees to capture every angle and shot with ease. Videos can be captured on the VAVA Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email. If you care about a safer and better driving experience, reserve your very own VAVA Dash and be the first to know when our Kickstarter launches in January. Thank you for your support, and together we can make safer and better driving experience for everyone. Thank you!
Car charger REV Power USB car adapter chargers with 12V24W 4.8A2 port for iPhone XS XR XS Max, Galaxy S9, LG, Nexus, HTC with ISMERT 2.0 tech, black. Ultra slim and small, this compact aluminum alloy coated car charger, 5.89x 2.49x 2.49 centimeters, packs a powerful punch with a combined 4.8A output. Own a tablet and smartphone? Charge both at the same time with two 2.4A charging ports. ISMERT technology automatically adapts suitable input current for your devices and maximizes the charging speed. automatically adjusts the voltage received from the vehicle, so your device always charges at a constant rate. Extreme power requires protection. Sophisticated circuit design ensures devices are safe from overheating, overcurrent and overcharging. Also, you can get lifetime warranty, if registered, and friendly customer service from us.
Precision. Our lives depend on it. Precision built this blade. Without precision, you're toast. And that's especially true in the kitchen. You want control? You want precision? You can have it. With a Nova. What's that? If I may. I'm going to cook this steak with this bag using this phone, and it's going to taste awesome. Perfect medium rare, $129. And into the water we go. Jacuzzi time. And you don't have to wash it like a hog. Toss. Corner! Ooh. Behold. Perfection. Oh, you are a beauty. You want to work with your feelings? Write a poem. You want great food? Get smart. Get precise.